Now let's look at one of my favorite features, the Vcardvault affiliate program. It's simple, transparent, and gives you the chance to earn rewards while sharing Vcardvault with others. From your dashboard, click Affiliations in the sidebar. Right here, you'll see your unique affiliate link. This is the link you'll share with friends, clients, or anyone you think could benefit from using Vcardvault. You can either copy the link directly or click Send Invite. That option lets you create a new user account for someone else and automatically tags them under your referral. Once someone signs up using your referral link, their account is linked to you. When they later upgrade or purchase a subscription plan, you instantly earn a 15% commission from that sale. Your affiliate link is also automatically displayed at the bottom of your Vcards page. So every time someone visits your Vcard, they can join Vcardvault through you. It's a simple, passive way to grow your income while helping others go digital. And the more people you share it with, the more you earn. Here are a few quick tips to make the most of it. Share your affiliate link in your WhatsApp bio, Instagram profile, or LinkedIn posts. Include it in your email signature, especially when you're sharing your Vcard. And most importantly, show your own Vcardvault in action. People trust what they see working. And that's it. You're now part of the Vcardvault affiliate program, where every referral, every connection, and every share can earn you real rewards. Start sharing your link today and grow your income. Please subscribe, like, comment, and share. If you have any problems, contact Vcardvault support. Contact on screen. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.